games inside of Roblox. And when you make it, it has some default little icon of like a house or something simple like that. And if you're trying to make a good server, it won't help because it's basic, it's generic, it's what everyone has. So in this quick little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change that icon, and I'll give you a little tip on what I use to make icons. So to get started, of course, you're going to want to open up Roblox. When you open up, it'll probably take you to the game page. It doesn't matter where you're at. What you want to do is you want to go up to the top here and click Create. When you click on that, it'll bring you here. It'll say Games, and all your little games that you have ever made. So you gotta make sure you have a game made, even if you haven't like gone in and made it fully. As long as it's you click to create and there's one there, then you'll be fine. Then what you want to do is you want to go over to Places. Don't worry, places. Each place is in the game. So as you can see, this one, what we're going to be using, is called Test for Vid. Up here, if I go to Games, it's still called Test for Vid. They're the same thing because the place is inside of the game. So when you edit the place, it edits the game for you. So when you're in Places, what you want to do is you want to go down to the one you want to use. And you want to go over to the little gear next to Edit, and you want to click on that. You have three options to configure: your developer stats or your shut down all servers. What we want is we want the top option here of Configure Place. When we click on that and it loads up, we have the configuration panel. We got all these little different options for configuring the game. Later on I might make another YouTube video on what each one does. Let me guys know in the comments if you want that. But what we want to do is we want to go to the one below basic settings, which is what you start on. You want to go to game icon. So in here, as I said, there's just some basic icon that everyone has, and that won't attract people to your server. So what you want to do is you want to make your own. So after you have made your icon, I'll show you what to do, and after I show you what to do, I'll talk to you a little bit about how to make an icon or what I do to make an icon. So you want to go Image, and then they'll say Select Image. You want to click Choose File. It'll open up something for you. I just threw together a quick little one. You want to click on it and click Open. And then as you can see right here, it says test server.jpg because the file I'm using is a JPEG. It may not say that for you. You might be using a PNG or anything like that. And once you do that, you will click Upload Image. It says, are you sure you want to add this icon? This will delete your existing icon. You want to click Upload Now. It'll show the little loading thing because it's not going to load up on this screen. So what you want to do is you want to click Save, say Updating Place, and then it's updated. So this won't change. This is just your thumbnail. But if I go back up here, then once you go back up here to create, as you can see now, it'll say it'll show the little icon instead of what it used to be, which was this, just the flat plain grass. It's now this, which is the icon I uploaded. So that's pretty neat. Go here, go up, go to Places, go there. See, this isn't affected by anything. This is the thumbnail. So if you want to change your thumbnail, you can go back and you can go back to configure this place. You can go to thumbnails instead of game icon. Game icon's for the little icon. But if you go to thumbnails, then you can change it again here. This can be whatever kind of image you want on your thumbnail. So when someone clicks on the game, that's what it'll show. If you want, you can go back to choose. You can do the exact same thing. You can open it, upload, submit. Then it'll show the little loading icon again. Because it's loading, it doesn't just load up instantly. It takes time to change. And what you want to go down here is do Save. And as you can see, it's still the little loading thing. But once it's done loading, it'll show the icon just like it did on the thumbnail. And like I said, so creating icons, it may look difficult, but it's very simple, very easy to do. What I use personally, I use a website called Canva. It's a very simple thing. You can download the app on your phone also. You just gotta find pictures on the internet and then you can mash them together. You can throw some text on, something like that. That's what I did for my icon for this video. I just took my YouTube emblem, threw on a Roblox sign, and wrote down test server. It's super simple, super easy to do. If you have any questions on any of this that happened, just be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll respond as fast as possible. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. If I get enough requests, I may do more Roblox studio tutorials. anything like that. Thank you guys for watching. This is Plasma Coin. I will see you guys on the next video.